Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a print screen on your Android device, especially the Android phone. This feature I'm going to show you, when you use it to take print screen, it will be one of the best print screens you've ever taken. The reason is that with this feature, you can take the print screen no matter how tall or how long the page you are trying to take the print screen of is, whether the width or the length of it. You can use it at once and take very long print screen, and when you finish you would really like the outcome of it. So how you can do this, by the way, this will depend on the model of your phone. What I'm using here is Samsung S10. So even if you have a different kind of Samsung or Android, at the end I'm going to show you how you can achieve this. So there are some settings you need to make sure that are enabled before you are able to take the print screen. To do that, I'm going to have you click on Settings, then Advanced Features, which is this one. Then the next thing you look for is Screenshots and Screen Recorder. So I think you need to scroll down right in the middle. Here you got Screenshots and Screen Recorder. You click on it. Now, make sure that this very button is turned on. Show toolbar after capturing. So make sure that this toggle is on. Once it is on, you are now ready to take your first screenshot. Let's do it. The screenshot I'm going to take is that of this very page. As you can see, you see how long this page is. So with some with some other applications or softwares you use to take print screen, you are able to take only print screen of what you can see on your screen at once. But this, you can use it to take print screen no matter how long or how big the page is, or whatever it is that you want to take print screen of. Being it I don't know, maybe WhatsApp chat or Facebook posts whatsoever. So what you need to do in order to bring up the feature that you will use to take the print screen, and the buttons are the power button and the volume button. The power button and the volume button. Just hold both of them at the same time and look at the button of the bottom of the phone. You are going to see the features come up. You see? So here is the feature. Just click on it. You see? On the left hand side, you are going to see the print screen. That's what you're looking at on the left hand side. Even though it looks small, after making the print screen, you will see how big it is. Just keep on clicking on this button. You click once, you release. You click once, you release. Just keep on doing it until you get to the end of the page that you want to make print screen of. As you can see, I've gotten to the end of my screen or the page. So now, when you are done, you leave it like this. So now, when you go to your gallery, let me check it. So remember that was what the feature that we used to make our print screen. So now let me let it go. Let me go to my gallery or to my files folder. You click on it. So now that is the print screen that we made. Like I said, even though this looks small here, when you open it or when you print it out, you will find that the print screen is actually it's not as small as you think as you probably think it is. So that's how you can make the print screen on your Android device. Now, I told you earlier that I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature if you are using a different model of Android phone. So what you need to do is to go to settings. Let me show you. You go to settings. Just like before, you look for advanced features. Now, you look for screenshots and screen recorder. Now, if you are using a different model of Android, what you will be looking for now is screenshot toolbar. Screenshot toolbar. That's what it should be called. So once you enable it, you will be able to take the print screen. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share. Thank you for watching.